taking a crap the past few days. Okay, wait, where's Smite? Oh my gosh, look at all these games. Demos in game. Wait, computer. So what's this? Sort by recent activity. Only ready to play. There we go. we have. Oh, well, let's do the update. Hold on, bros. We got to do this. Update. Planet Crafter. Awesome game. We're gonna play some Smite, and we're gonna mute the in-game audio so I can do some. I can listen to all this stuff here. Let's just do this music, shall we? Can we?
Lights shimmer on the dark screen glow.
City lights that glow, they flicker in the shadows where we linger.
Oh my god.
Neon dreams, they paint the sky.
Taking longer than 5
Broken
seconds.
hearts beneath the lights.
Okay, my life is over.
Lonely figures in the mist, searching for the ones they miss. Echoes of a love so grand, drifting in this foreign land. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. Through the silence voices call, whispers lost within the hall. In this maze of cold and steel, will we ever truly heal? Lonely figures in the mist, searching for the ones they miss. Echoes of a love so grand, drifting in this foreign land. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. Dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release. Through the void I fly by stars so bright, seeking gems in the vast unknown night. On this ship I sail through cosmic tides, dreams and triumphs in the sky so wide. Nebulae swirl with colors untold. In my heart I feel adventures bold, trading tales of distant moons and suns, galactic wonders they have just begun. I explore the stars, blaze my path anew. In the cosmos my courage grew. Void of night where the universe sings, on my journey life's precious wings. Asteroids drift, they offer no fear. My ship whispers that the way is clear.
Check it out.
Across the galaxy my soul does soar. Every planet opens up a door.
Yes, we're going for hard.
Battles fought and treasures found. In the silence I hear victory sound. Charting courses through the great unknown, embracing wonders I've never shown. I explore the stars, blaze my path anew. In the cosmos my courage grew. Void of night where the universe sings, on my journey life's precious wings. I explore the stars, blaze my path something new. In the cosmos, my
All I know
courage
is
grew.
destroy the Nexus.
Void of night
That's all I
where the
know.
universe sings. On my journey, life's precious wings. On my journey, life's precious wings. On my journey, life's precious wings.
I didn't think that I would be. Can we go back? Can we go back? Who is that? Zeus? I remember playing Zeus. I remember.
Stars align like sparks in cold. Galaxies where dreams unload. Lend a helm, let's hit the skies. In the void where legends rise. When worlds unfold, endless space adventures bold. Planets spin and engines hum. Trade and conquer, battles won. Into the stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide. Ignite the night with pride. Thrusters on and feel the blaze. Pixel planets dazzle days.
Don't hit it.
Data streams and quantum
Don't hit it,
ties.
yes, I want.
Exploring where the future lies. Cargo holds and barter prayers. Heroes born from coding flares. Scripts that sing of cosmic days. In the dark we find our ways. Into the stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide. Ignite the night with pride. Game let worlds unfold. Endless space adventures bold. Planets spin and engines hum. Trade and conquer, battles won. Into the stars we ride. With neon lights our guide. Code the cosmos wide. Ignite the night with pride. With pride. Thrusters on and feel the blaze. Pixel planets dazzle days. Days streams of quantum ties. Exploring where the future lies. With pride.
We might be winning automatically. So it's what Nuwa and Oh I Hate said. We might be losing because he can kill me with like just like farting on me. He can kill you with a fart. And he just had
On
me-
this quest, we rise up high. Coding dreams beneath the sky. Every
Get up
line
here, bro. Get up here, bro.
together will ignite the night.
Alright, we're out of here. You guys know that distraction? Oh god. Oh god, no. Say it's not so. And he goes and dies right away. Thanks
Through
for
the
feeding me
cold, we
bro.
cast our spells. Innovations where we
Get
dwell.
out. Okay, we're scared of her.
With each keystroke we
That means he's
propel.
gonna come in here with all the minions.
Into realms where heroes sail.
Okay, I guess I think we're gonna kill him, so
Hero self.
that was terrible aiming on my part, but it was good.
We are the game dev heroes shining bright in the realm of
Okay, here we go,
pixels
here we go.
day and
Go,
night.
push it,
With
guys,
our
push it.
hearts we conquer, take the fight. We are the game dev heroes, pure delight.
Run!
Pure
I'm so
delight.
dead. I'm so dead. We need to recall and spend money.
Through the trials we won't fade.
Okay, just me and you
In our hands the
I think.
future slay.
Get her.
Every hurdle will evade. In the
You are a
world
queen.
that we have
No,
made.
don't hit me there.
With me, our spirits soar, embracing all the dreams we store.
There you go, walk to the
We'll
left.
achieve so
And die.
much more.
Oh my god, we just got a double kill.
We
I
are
have no health. I'm scared and excited.
We are the game dev heroes shining bright in the realm of pixels day and night. With our hearts we conquer, take the fight. We are the game dev heroes, your delight.
Oh my god, they're both directed. Run, bro, run.
Your delight.
I think you can increase movement on the track. Run, they're both after me. They see me, but I'm so dead. Okay, let me come back, you guys. Let me get that red. Okay, so what am I buying? Okay, let's buy this. Recommended. Okay, so can we get this one? Oh, that was that one. Okay, well, let's just get this, whatever that is. Moving on.
Woke up in a sea of dreams, chasing stars and chasing schemes. In my mind, the world expands. Hope is here in every strand.
Hold on, bro.
Footsteps on an empty street, rhythms in the heartbeats meet. Kaleidoscope of broken fears, mended through the crystal tears. Rise up, let your spirit free. Feel the pulse, the melody. Light the way where shadows blend. Infinite, the path will bend.
Oh shoot. I stuck in this. That was basically
Piano notes begin the climb. Shits align in perfect time. Strings will paint the sky so wide. Lift the thoughts where doubts reside.
I'm out.
Just a spark to start the fire.
Excuse me, I have to hold
Build
on.
it higher and higher. Waves of sound that break
Wait,
the
what are
walls.
you doing, bro?
Catch the faith before it falls.
See, he was distracted. I saved him back.
Rise up, let your spirit free. Feel the pulse, the melody. Light the way where shadows
Stay on it for
blend.
you.
Infinite, the path will bend.
Take out the garbage, bro.
Just a spark to start the fire. Build it higher and higher. Waves of sound that break the walls. Catch the faith before it falls. Rise up, let your spirit free. Feel the pulse, the melody. Light the way where shadows blend. Infinite, the path
Do
will
not run
bend.
from me. Good player killing all that right in the middle of the screen. You're basically blinded in a partial way every time do something good, which is kind of a weird, non-reward system for a reward, It's really weird. It's been that way forever and it's annoying. It's like they don't play the game. It's like, do you play your own game?
Stretching wide and far, stars falling
Where'd
like
she go, bro?
rain. Trading under the twin
Come on, bro.
moons, seeking for
put this unstoppable
Sailing on
right in the
desert
middle of my game?
tides,
Why? There's no option to
galaxies
move
in our
the size,
sight, whispers from ancient skies, guiding us through the night. Lost in the sands of time, adventures call we climb. Through the stars we fly, never saying goodbye. Treasures buried low, secrets only we know. Through sun and stardust glow,
Okay.
onward we will go. Ships in the twilight, essence of the unknown.
Alright. Another man otherwise
Dreams
she
till
would be dead.
daylight,
Fried barbecue
making
with rub.
legends our
Let me tell
own.
you, that would be tasty right
Lost in the sands of time, adventures call we
there.
climb.
Love the turret.
Through the stars we fly, never saying goodbye.
The teleporter is now active. What's the teleporter, bro? What, you guys want a little something? Is that it? Okay, come here. Come on, bro. Da-bum. I don't know why they're just... Okay, what else is recommended? Are you
Fingers on the keys, coding every line, rhythm of the beats, hot and perfect time, binaries and ones, through the night we race, flashes on the screen, keeping up the pace. Hold the dream away, in the night and day, highs and lows we play, never gonna sway. Syntax comes alive, logic like a flow. In this game we dive, let the passion grow.
every single time? If you do well in the game, you might be able to see for a good percentage.
Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find,
Come on, boys.
makes the stars
Take her
align.
down, boys. And be on the way.
Hold the dream away, in the night and day, highs and lows we play, never gonna sway.
There you go, bro. He showed me. Double kill, okay. Come on, boys, where you at? Run. This turret is ours. Come on. Let us take the chaos from the... Here we go. So they're still alive now.
Classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find makes the stars
I can't see that. I
align.
fucking messed up my camera so fucking
Hold the
bad. Sorry.
dream away, in the night and day,
Okay, that was crazy.
highs and lows we play, never gonna sway.
Camera inside of the object and make the object transparent so that you can see like normal, because it totally messed up the view.
Binary dreams, 3, 2, 1. Building worlds, block by block. Shader codes and neon lights. Procedural whispers at night. Coding challenge, here we go. Mysteries beneath the flow. Voxels hidden in the dark. Seeds of stars we embark.
Okay, boys, let's go. We got 10 seconds.
Galactic, I'll be
we find rhythm. Endless quests, infinite nights, crafting worlds in pixel light. Into depth, a cosmic trade. Ships we build, dreams cascade. Mining ores in empty space. Tracing light, a coded race. Byte by byte we generate. From Minecraft to outer states. Invisible lines take form. In the code a new norm.
Beth, what are you doing? Go over here and capture this. Come on, bro.
Coding challenge, here we go. Mysteries beneath the flow. Voxels hidden in the dark. Seeds of stars we embark. Galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm. Endless quests, infinite nights. Crafting worlds in pixel light. Indeed, a cosmic trade. Ships we build, dreams cascade. Mining ores in empty space. Tracing light, a coded race. Byte by byte we generate. From Minecraft to our state. Invisible lines take form. In the code a new norm.
Don't worry, I'm bad, I got it.
Galactic algorithm. In the stars we find rhythm.
Hey boys, we got 10 seconds.
Endless quests, infinite nights.
We got
Crafting
backup.
worlds in pixel light. Into depth, a cosmic trade. Ships we build, dreams cascade. Mining ores in empty space. Tracing light, a coded race. Byte by byte we generate. From Minecraft to outer states. Invisible lines take form. In the code a new norm. Byte by byte we generate. From Minecraft to outer states. Invisible lines take form. In the code a new norm.
New while you stand your ground. Get it.
Rolling through the farthest stars. In this cosmic bazaar. Engines hum so loud. Spaceship crowds. Aliens shout and barter. Languages mix and scatter. Currency chimes and bells. Buy and sell. Galactic trading square. Energy fills the air. Every creature, every kind. Treasures you'll find.
Come on, boys.
Hollow screens display. Bright goods on array.
Go, go,
Colors
go.
swirl in the light. Shining lights.
Okay, let's get back to the next wave.
Spaceships come and go.
They're already on the way.
Rockets always on show.
Okay, what do we get?
Lost in this cosmic spree. Feel so free. Robots shuffle by. Selling tech from the sky. Crystal gems and gear. Magic's here.
Let's go help left.
Hope we build the world with blocks, colors shining bright. In a
Wait, what's back
digital
here, bro?
dream through the day and night.
What are you doing way back here?
Bits and bytes align in the voxel maze, crafting endless lands lost in a craze. Go to the beat, let the rhythm guide. In the pixel streets where our dreams collide.
Come on, bro.
Sparks of inspiration flowing through the stream,
Come on, bro. Hit him.
creating endless wonders, living in a dream. Sits lifting high, beats driving strong, melodies unite us where we belong.
Just had to hit it once. You couldn't do a kamikaze to hit it once.
Rhythm guide in the pixel streets where our dreams collide.
Don't.
Sparks of inspiration flowing through the stream, creating endless wonders.
All right, hold on. We gotta
living
get
in
rid
a
of
dream.
the car right here.
Sits lifting high, beats driving strong, melodies unite us. Where will we belong? In the pixel streets where our dreams collide. Go to the beat, in the pixel streets where our dreams collide.
What do we do? Pick me.
Go to the beat, let the rhythm guide. In the pixel streets where our dreams collide. Where our pixel streets where our dreams collide.
Okay, what else do we need here? Okay, where are we going? What's going on, mid Hunbats? What the hell? Bum, 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 You know what, do, oh, keep running, bro. Look at me. Dude is totally.
I will always try to leave.
When it's good with the bots, this is really good. Usually it's reverse. Not usually, but like most of the time. That's usually. Okay, alright. Unbats let you guys run wild. I don't do that. Okay, you distract her.
I will always try to leave. I am here to help you
Oh, I
grow.
should have done that.
Every task I learn from you, in the rhythm of your need, I will always try to lead.
Oh, I had too little health going into that. Shoot, so what else can we do? How long am I dead? Okay, 51 seconds. This is like the first time that I've been able to sit and think about it. So if they want me to upgrade this, then you get
Shapes shift, lines blur, polygons in motion,
you're able to upgrade your shard to
transforming, morphing, twist, building new creations. Program code ignite, geometry unfolds, amplify the night with colors bright and bold. Shift, dance and move, triangles and squares.
Okay, right. You get right a little help.
Watch them groove and
Use the base.
sway.
It's gonna take damage
Geometric flair,
from
reduce
took damage
the
from the
points, resize, changing all the vibes,
You gotta get a little bit closer.
curves and
There you go.
angles rise in a dance alive. Call away the excess, sculpt the scene anew. Infinite expressions flowing right on cue. Shift, dance and move, triangles and squares. Watch them groove and sway. Geometric flair.
Come on, give me backup. Where's the backup? There's no backup.
Call away the excess, sculpt the scene anew. Infinite expressions flowing right on cue. Shift, dance and move, triangles and squares. Watch them groove and sway. Geometric flair.
Did we kill him? Good.
Soul dreams and neon skies, jetpack fuel ignites our rise. Energy bursts, replace the night. Players soaring into light. Up above the we fly through the dawn, every limit overdrawn. Jet flames that light the way, epic journey starts today.
Where are those guys coming from? Here with my minions
Hold
going
us
forward.
down with this jetpack we found, bursting through the cycles wide. In a wake, the stars collide.
The Titan needs
So
to
we
target me.
fly through the dawn, every limit overdrawn. Jetpack flames that light the way, epic journey starts today.
Okay, hunt back, son of a- Here we go. Come on, bro. Get those minions. Going straight for the Titan. Stupid nerd, bro. Oh, now the Titan's on him. Look at this. Why not kill the minions, bro? Let the minions do their
Lines
job.
of code we wrote, from
Yes.
simple
Oh.
forms we start,
These guys,
building dreams with art.
they don't even know how to play when they're winning. What kind of AI programming is that? To be honest, they haven't updated the AI programming for over 10 years. Game of League of Legends, their quote-unquote AI programming.
Noise turns dark to bright, shapes come into sight. From chaos, beauty springs,
Where you at?
life in every string. From the depths of thought into light we're caught. Every line a chance to make the pixels dance. Clothe the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worlds to plunder. Sparks will fly in waves and wonder. Shade dreams by the light of thunder.
Look at Hyundai chasing the yeah, this is good here.
From the depths of thought into light we're caught. Every line a
Oh, we got that
chance
again. Doesn't he die?
to make the
Like the time,
pixels
bro?
dance. Clothe the world with joy and thunder. Hack
Go,
the
bro, go.
night with worlds to plunder. Sparks will fly in waves and wonder. Shaded dreams by the light of thunder.
Okay, what's going on here? Just
We'll fly in waves and wonder. Shaded dreams by the light of thunder. Clothe the world with joy and thunder. Hack the night with worlds to plunder. Sparks will fly in waves and wonder. Shaded dreams by the light of thunder.
where you go.
Lines of code like tiny stars,
Honestly, I like
tapping
to do
keys
it
in the late night bars, building dreams in pixel art. Heart and mind not far apart. Days and nights they blend as one, debugging lines till the morning sun. Sprite by sprite the world takes form, through the chaos a common storm. Cold to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly in digital sky.
What am I waiting for? What else?
Watch the game, see it soar. descend, never far from the first key
Okay, so I
tap.
think we can turn down the music now. And my mic is probably, I don't even know.
Every challenge faced
In this
coder's race.
Alright. Yeah, see, I kind of shaved off the outline of these. I did it off stream. I was just tinkering. I think I might have even been drunk. But it looked like, well, I'll even show you, because I've still got the code. So where was it at? It was right in here. Multiplier, noise value, no, it was border width. It was right here. So we didn't actually have a multiplier there. We'll just take it out for the time being. Go to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly. You see how they have a noticeable oh, oh, oh. So you see how they have like a noticeable outline? So if I go back and put that back in, it takes it out. It's quite nice. I didn't really think, because I was just see, it's just they have a really thin outline now, which is fine, you know. I should really put the point on the star there. So okay, so the other thing I wanted to do with this,
Lines of code like bricks, they stack high, building a castle that breaches the sky. Each error a lesson, each
so
crash
when
a
we
spark,
create these,
illuminate small victories in the dark.
Perlin
Binary
asteroid.
dreams ignite my
So type
soul.
equals 4 Perlin asteroid of
Push toward the
the ultimate goal.
Through glitches and grind, I'll find my way. Creating a universe where gamers will stay.
Bum, 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 bum,
Coffee fuels the battles fought at
bum. Yeah,
dawn.
it does.
What pixels
Color
blink as
type.
the world is drawn.
We want the type equals 4,
Puzzle
bro.
solved brings a fleeting cheer, but the masterpiece grows year by year.
Star color, setup stuff, no, no, no.
My soul,
Type equals 4. There we go. So what is this? Find mining collision? Oh, no, no, no.
and grind, I'll find my
So there's too many.
creating a universe where gamers will stay. Struggle is
Background
art,
stars, sun,
passion's the
planets,
thread. The
moons.
canvas of
Here
logic
they are.
where
Oh, create
my
asteroid
heart is
field
led. Each
4.
number, each code,
Can I just hit
story
F12?
untold,
Yeah,
carves new
just to go to the
worlds
definition of that.
into digital gold.
Okay, if new type equals asteroid color.
Ignite my soul.
Thunder the ultimate goal.
Through glitches and grind, I'll find my way. Creating a universe where gamers will stay.
Bum, 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 bum.
Coffee fuels the battles fought at dawn. What pixels
Well,
blink
good
as the
spot. Okay,
world is
color
drawn.
0 equals
A
that.
puzzle solved brings a fleeting cheer, but the masterpiece grows.
Oh, cool.
year
So we can
by
actually do that.
year.
So what I was looking at is to see if we set the colors.
Onward I push toward the
Ultimate goal.
through glitches and
So we can use
grind,
these
I'll
different
find
colors,
my
and I have a
way.
function to select the
Creating a
color.
universe where gamers will stay.
Set color, right? So if we go to Perlin asteroid here, it's right here. And I was recently at work, and what I do is I talk to Gemini, and I have it give me coding challenges, and so I discovered the mix function. So noise value, the first one is the one we want to use here. Noise 2 is for the outline. So let's go like, let's comment this code a little better. Center.
Zero ones in the light. Lines of code take flight. Digital magic inside.
So the multiplier is used
Pixels paint the world bright.
Okay, hold on. Noise value. This one will be, this one
Algorithm so
is for,
tight. Game dev birds work through the night.
This is for the general color of the
craft they
surface
delight.
of the asteroid right here.
Cold, the stars create
This
the skies.
noise value
World to rise. In the screen there's paradise. Magic of code in our eyes.
is for
Logic dances so smooth.
the shape.
Every bug we remove. To the rhythm we groove. In each line out our truth. Electric beat sinks our mind. Infinite dreams we find. With the keys intertwined. Magic of code redesigns.
And because it's using a noise value as the randomized multiplier right here, it's a smooth transition, which is really cool. Border width, okay.
Glitches fade into air. With each fix we declare new ideas everywhere. In our world we all share.
Okay, I hope that's a little more clear. So the other thing we want to do when it returns our color here, let's just try this. Let's go up to, let's save that. Actually, just save that. What? It won't let me save it? Okay. So let's go up to version 24 just because I'm changing. Wait, why is it doing that?
Flying through the
Stars in my pixel ship. Okay, then we have to go
Trader by
back
heart
here.
with a daring grip. Soft light glow on the cosmic strip. This journey is a
Mind-bending trip. Oh wait, no, not
Textures of
24.
space feel so surreal.
Yeah, 24. Okay, my brain is
Planet to
fried.
planet
It's
for
fine.
the best space
It's usually
deal.
fried anyways.
Asteroids float as
So
my
return our
engines
color.
squeal. Every trait's a story I conceal.
Oh, here's the one I'm looking at.
In the dark, trading goods and
So we see how we have the noise value there. So a better way to do this.
make their spark.
Dreams mapped out like a chart. So let's go return our color.rgb. Let's go. So what are we getting? We're just returning a vec3, right? So mix of our color.rgb and our color 1. Okay, I can't read.
Spinning round in a spacecraft dance.
Comma
Every leap a
noise value.
calculated chance.
Will that do it?
Nebulous glow
So
in a
isn't it
spectral
our
trance.
color 1?
Space has got me in a timeless glance. Physics twist in an endless void. Soft bodies making worlds deploy.
And then multiply by
Waves of sound
1.1.
as stars are buoyed. Feel the pulse
Of
of a
an almond
almond
joy.
voxel nomad in the dark.
Computer,
Trading goods
you're
and
working.
leaving marks.
I didn't change any code in the oh wait, maybe did I? Dreams mapped out like a chart. Oh, those are cool asteroids. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. So they don't all have to be that way. Alright, I'll be right back.
reaches the sky. Each error lesson, each crash a spark, illuminate small victories in the dark. Binary dreams ignite my soul. Onward I push toward the ultimate goal. Through glitches and grind I'll find my way, creating a universe where gamers will stay. Coffee fuels the battles fought at dawn, while pixels blink as the world is drawn. A puzzle solved brings a fleeting cheer, but the masterpiece grows year by year. Binary dreams ignite my soul. Onward I push toward the ultimate goal. Through glitches and grind I'll find my way, creating a universe where gamers will stay. Coffee fuels the battles fought at dawn, while pixels blink as the world is drawn. A puzzle solved brings a fleeting cheer, but the masterpiece grows year by year by year. Binary dreams ignite my soul. Onward I push toward the ultimate goal. Through glitches and grind I'll find my way, creating a universe where gamers will stay. The struggle is hard, the passion's the thread, the canvas of logic where my heart is red. Each number, each code, a story untold. Cross new worlds into digital gold. Binary dreams ignite my soul. Onward I push toward the ultimate goal. Through glitches and grind I'll find my way, creating a universe where gamers will stay.
Cold light shimmer on a dark screen glow. Through trials and errors I'll watch it grow. Pixels sparking dreams for eyes that gleam, crafting universes from a scattered dream. Battles wage between the keys and time, with logic twisting into rhythm and rhyme. Curves and polygons align like fate, a tapestry of wonder I create. Worlds unfold from nothing, infinite skies. Hope ignites in the blink of tired eyes. Passion pounding like a heartbeat drum. No surrender till the masterpiece is done. Through the storms of doubt I'll hold my ground. In chaos there's a melody to be found. Every algorithm a rebellion bold. Fragments of the future form a scattered dream. It's done. Fragments of the future form a scattered dream. It's done.
Okay, those are
Battles waged between the keys and time, with logic twisting into rhythm and rhyme. Curves and polygons align like fate, a tapestry of wonder I create. Worlds unfold from nothing, infinite skies. Hope ignites in the blink of tired eyes. Passion pounding like a heartbeat drum. No surrender till the masterpiece is done. Worlds unfold from nothing, infinite skies. Hope ignites in the blink of tired eyes. Passion pounding like a heartbeat drum. No surrender till the masterpiece is done.
Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that one.
It's done.
I like that one. How do you do the...
It's done. It's done. Fragments of the future form a scattered dream.
Hold on.
It's done.
I didn't snip it right, bro. Windows, bro.
Woke up in a sea of dreams, chasing stars and chasing schemes. In my mind, the world expands. Hope is here in every strand. Footsteps on an
Back, I've
empty
been training
street.
how to
Rhythms in the heart beats me. Kaleidoscope.
Oh wait, is my TTS not working?
Mended through the crystal tears. Rise up, let your spirit
Free. Sorry, Jacinta. Didn't mean to miss you there. That was an hour ago. Okay. I was probably playing a game. Probably playing my Smite. What's up? Okay, let's go. Can I go to my creator dashboard? Your stream hit a record 3 concurrent viewers.
Sifts align in perfect time. Strings will paint the sky so wide. Lift the thoughts where doubts reside.
Okay.
The spark to start the fire. Build it
I do have the purple one.
higher and higher. Waves of sound that break the walls. Catch the
And I have that one.
before it falls. Rise up, let your spirit free. Feel the pulse, the
Okay, so it looks like it's good.
light the way where shadows blend. Infinite, the path will bend.
That's still good. So if I go, how do I go into paint?
Just a spark to start
Holy
the fire.
Moses. Paint got an
Build
upgrade
it
maybe?
higher.
Okay, that looks good, yeah.
Waves of
So,
sound that
what's the
break
size of
the
this now?
walls.
213 by 209.
It falls. Rise up,
So what's
let your
off?
spirit
213.
free. Feel the pulse, the melody.
So can we go image property? So can we just, how do you crop? Crop it to that, okay. What is happening right now?
Patterns taking flight.
Okay, there we go. So now we want to all and cut. Okay, so then we're going to go here. We're going to go, so it's only off by like 4. So then we want to paste and just move it down by 2. So it's still centered. Then we want to take this, go like that, and then can we fill? Is that the fill? It's the original fill. Okay. There. And there. Remove objects with generative erase. Generative erase remove objects that fills in basins running. Got it. That would be great, bro. Let's do it. What? That didn't do it. Okay, it did not do what it just said it was going to do. Close enough. Alright, cool. Save that. Save as PNG. Pictures, computer. Just right there, PNG. We're going to call it Asteroid emoji 1 or 2. Can you give it? Okay, so does it have the ability to? Hold on. I don't know what's going on with Paint. Let's go find out. Computer, just angel wings unfold. Okay. Paint does have a remove background tool that can help you achieve transparency. Open your image, click on the remove background button in the toolbar. Remove background button. Layers? Oh my gosh. That's cool. Where's the remove background button? Grid size and skew. Remove background. Paint will automatically remove the background, leaving a checkered pattern indicating transparency. If needed, use the eraser tool to refine any remaining areas. Save the image as PNG to preserve the transparency. It didn't go to checkered, bro. Okay, that's not what I wanted at all. No, don't save that one. Totally messes up the image. Would you like me to save that for you? Details. Type.
Quiet night.
Oh, computer.
Stars so bright.
Edit with paint. Maybe, I don't know. Then let the image creator do the rest? Oh. I'd like to just remove the background. So does that not work? Okay, hold on, let's ask. If Paint doesn't give you the results you want, you might need Paint 3D or another tool like GIMP or Photoshop to properly handle transparency. Some users have reported that transparent PNGs appear with a black background in certain Windows apps, especially when viewed in File Explorer or previews. If that happens, try opening the image in a different viewer or moving it to another folder.
Explosion vast, stars last laugh. In the quiet, we witness light. Universes, fiery sight. Supernova, light explodes. Sky ignites, colors show.
Some users have reported that Paint's remove background tool doesn't always create transparency. It sometimes replaces the background with solid white. How is that? Sometimes? What is the... Open the image in another program like Paint 3D, GIMP, or Photoshop. If the background appears white, it's not transparent. If it shows a checkerboard, then transparency is working. If Paint isn't giving a transparency, you might need to use Paint 3D. Open the image in Paint 3D. Use the magic select tool to isolate the subject. Click done and then copy the selection. Open a new canvas, paste select the selection, and save as PNG. I'm willing to try it. Open the image in Paint 3D. Okay. Never use Paint 3D, bro. Open the image in Paint 3D. Open it. Paint 3D is not even an option, bro. Where? Okay. What is Paint 3D then? I thought it was part of Windows. What is Paint 3D? I thought it was a part of Windows. It's not even an option. Paint 3D used to be a built-in app in Windows, but Microsoft discontinued it. It was originally introduced in 2017 as an upgrade to classic Paint, focusing on 3D modeling and advanced image editing. However, it didn't gain much traction, and Microsoft decided to remove it from Windows 11. So why did you just recommend it to me? If you're looking for Paint 3D, it's no longer available in the Windows in the Microsoft Store. Some users found a way to install it manually, but it's not officially supported anymore. If you need transparency or advanced editing, you might want to try GIMP Paint. Okay, so shaking my head. Yeah, if anybody thinks AI is going to replace you, just, think about that. Just think about it. God. No more skies, just steps below. Free PNG, online, transparency, background, editor scene. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. I know the Canva is one of my favorites. Computer, what are you doing?
Found
Upload
songs
your
in a mortal
image.
frame, but the cost was a heart in flame, judged by the stars with
What are
eyes
you
so
doing? What
tame,
is this?
left in the night with none to name.
PNG
He
Maker.
left for weeks now torn apart. She
PNG
held his
editor, bro.
pain but knew the start of a tale where heaven took no
What
part.
is this? Try Canva
Destiny
Pro
of
for free.
fractured heart. Once a beacon,
Photo editor.
now a shadow. Burned
Wait,
by
no,
the
it's not Canva, it's
fire of
Canva. I think it's Canvas.
No more skies, just earth below.
Free PNG online.
Fallen angel lost tomorrow.
Bum, 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 ba-da-da-da, bum, bum. No, I can't remember the name of it, darn it. It's not. It's close to Canva, I think. No. Ba-da-da-da. Some results have been removed. How about don't remove them?
Once a beacon, now a shadow.
Oh, here it is. Online PNG tools. There you go, bro. Okay, transparency created for 2% off.
No more
Beautiful
skies, just
flowers.
earth below.
Nice. Okay, input PNG. Click to load an image.
Fallen angel
Input
lost
PNG,
tomorrow.
transparent PNG. Okay, load an image. Dun, dun, da-da-da-dun, dun, 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 da-da-da-dun. Okay. Perlin. There. Ah, there we go. So, enter color to make transparent, not white. There we go. Oh shoot, it's part of it. It's part of the actual image. Oh nice. That's a very nice feature. That's amazing. I don't care about smooth edges. Cool. Let's go with 4. Because it totally gets rid of the edge. That's so cool. Will it work better with an edge? Does this one have an edge? It does have an edge. Does that make it look better though? It doesn't really show.
The tapestry of wonder I create. Worlds unfold from nothing, infinite skies. Hope ignites in the blink of tired eyes. Passion pounding like a heartbeat drum. No surrender till the masterpiece is done.
I think there's like a 10-second timer.
From nothing, infinite skies. Hope ignites in the blink of tired eyes.
Did it reset because I clicked away? Let's also, can we also... Let's do it again. We have to wait on the actual screen. Don't click away. Don't go to another tab. Don't. There you... Oh, it already did it? Oh, did it for me? Idiot here. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's add it in there. Let's add it as an emoji. Here we go. Your reward? Emoji. Okay, which one are we replacing? Any of these. Let's get rid of Spiky, Space Guy, or what? I tell you what, let's keep Constellation. Get rid of Spiky. And then upload a file. Wait, where did it go? Oh, here. Oh, I didn't even check how big the file is. It'll tell you.
City lights, they glow, they flicker in the shadows where we linger.
Berlin.
Neon dreams, they
Like.
paint the skies. Broken hearts beneath the light.
Programmer Jeff.
Lonely figures in the mist, searching for the ones they miss. Echoes
That's
of a
the
love
guy.
so grand, drifting in this foreign land. We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release.
Bonus emotes. Use Twitch alert and get 2 additional animated emotes. Okay, so which one did I move out? I moved out the spiky,
Through the
right? So can
silence,
we put
voices call,
spiky down
whispers
here?
lost
What's
within
this
the
one?
heart.
Subscriber?
In
Fine,
this
let's get
maze of cold
subscriber
and
spiky.
steel, will we ever truly
Can I just choose spiky? How do you... Can I just take spiky and use right? Wait, hold
searching for the ones they miss, echoes of a love so grand, drifting in this foreign
on.
land.
Spiky.
We
Remove from
are
font.
echoes in the
Oops, not
night,
in the font.
dancing with a ghostly
Okay,
light,
here one.
haunted by the memories, chained by
Okay,
love
cool.
we can't release.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's also go into here. Approved emotrition. Okay, cool.
We are echoes in the night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't believe.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, can I
We are echoes in the
emoji?
night, dancing with a ghostly light, haunted by the memories, chained by love we can't release.
Oh, I need to refresh. Dun, 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 dun. Can I use this emoji? Pretty sure now it's there. Cool, it's so pretty. Nice. Okay, follow now. You can get that new emoji. Woohoo! Be sure, if you are following already, just go ahead and refresh. And there you go. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and switch over to Twitch. Come on. If you're on Twitch, go ahead and follow me on. Can we mute this
Nebulous world with colors
tab at the
untold.
moment? Good.
In
while
my
we're
heart I feel adventures bold. Trading tales of distant moons and suns, galactic wonders they have just begun. I explore the stars, blaze my path anew. In the cosmos my courage grew. Void of night where the universe sings. On my journey life's precious wings. Asteroids drift, they offer no fear. My ship whispers
Magic
that the
Metal
way is
Monday,
clear. Across the galaxy, my soul does soar. Every planet opens up a door. Battles fought and treasures found.
How wide?
How loud is it? I can't hear.
Wide?
I cannot hear. Computer, what are you doing? Stop it. Twitch always does this. Search for emotes. Oh, I see. I don't have any from him. He doesn't give me any emotes. Oh, we have this
Come to
one.
think of it, I think
Ah,
I've
there
seen
we go.
that somewhere.
My emotes. Okay, so let's look for Perlin. Oh yeah, we got all these. I have 3 Perlin emojis.
I guess they have some sort of a bit field somewhere that specifies which type it is, and then you go, oh, okay, it's this big.
Okay, I can't hear him. I'm turning the volume up.
No. Oh, programmer Jeff. Hello. Nice collection of little emotes there. And nice to see mine included. That. Things are going well, I'd say. Sadly, I'm very close to ending the stream, not because I want to right now, but because I should go to bed soon. I'm trying to sleep a little bit earlier than I have. But I can give you this information about my channel now. Finally, my channel is kind of stabilizing, or rather, my work and streaming life is stabilizing. So
Cool.
I have 1 day a week that is set in stone so far. That's game dev on Thursdays. Thursdays are game dev. I work on Warlock Scantler. Doesn't mean I won't work on it other days, but so far I have one. I'm also trying to make Mondays into digital design days. Work on, well, becoming better at my chosen specialty in computer science, which is digital design. So designing circuits like processors. So right now, and the project I'm doing here is and the project, for those wondering, by the way, I'm building a RISC-V processor, designing one, and the idea is that I'm trying to make that my specialty. I did a kind of towards the end of my bachelor program, I did a so-called bachelor project in which I worked on a RISC-V core and specifically focused on understanding its pipelining and expanding it, because one of the features of RISC-V is that it is partially customizable. So it has a basic set of instructions, but it also has extra space for custom instructions, so you can customize it for specific tasks. So I learned how to design or implement new instructions in the RISC in a specific RISC-V core. But now I'm building from scratch because I want to specialize in processor design. I think that's super fascinating, and digital design in general. And that's also the sort of job that my first job. I got my first job in November, which is focused on, well, actually on RISC-V processors and processor design. I don't do design yet. I kind of do more high-level RISC-V processor maintenance, you could call it. I'm sort of a research assistant, although I probably will do some expansion, like just as I did during my bachelor project in the future in this job. And this is my continued studies, which I do on my own to specialize and hopefully build a portfolio of designed circuits, so I can get a good job at some point, or at least have a career.
Excuse me.
Completely random, right? You need to stop work and prepare for bed in half an hour too. Yep. So we're in the same spot. So for those of you wondering, like that's what this is for, and I try to do at least part of that or stream it, because I know that quite a few people who enjoy my channel, they were really excited about that when I started talking about it. So I thought it would be fun.
I'm gonna sneeze again.
I mean,
Shoot, what the heck, bro?
When I sit here and explain stuff, whether you want it or not, like you're my rubber ducks, and it helps me remember. It helps, it's so, I think you all know it's much easier to remember if you also teach. I'm not really an expert yet, but trying to become it. I think probably I should stop here because the next thing I need to, I don't know why I removed that. That's a good comment, at least initially. The next thing I need to do is to start decoding opcodes, and that's going to be fun, but it's going to take a while no matter what. So next time, whenever that is, possibly tomorrow already, we'll dive into dissecting RISC-V opcodes, or instruction codes, which delightfully are all the same width. They're all 32-bit. Well, at least the basic sets. Actually, RISC-V there are two. RISC-V has specifications for 64-bit and 32-bit. I'm not sure what the 64-bit opcodes are. Maybe they are 64-bit. I'm not sure. But nevertheless, they probably. I'm doing a 32-bit processor here. your field? Do UI software engineering? Super interesting. Yeah, very nice. I hope you enjoy it. And as I said, I'm trying to make this a stable component of my weekly schedule as well. So look here on Mondays. I announce my streams in my Discord and on Blue Sky. Both of those links should be somewhere. At least the Discord. That should be this. I think that's a good link to Discord, and I think the Blue Sky link is also here. So I believe I updated. So sadly, I think I should end now, but since we are a few people here, let's see if we can find somebody to raid. Maybe even in this space. Who knows?
Uh-oh, hold on, let me show off my...
For sure. Bug be gone. I follow someone called Bug be gone. Now he's called Odd Oculus. Maybe he is doing a Unreal C++ some. Oh no, I guess the name of the game is Bug be gone. Or okay, I don't know. Oh hey, you're also on, programmer. Well, why don't I just raid you then? We'll go and disturb you. Hope you don't mind.
That's a great approach, starting simple and layering in
So
complexity
that's it.
as you go.
So
Make
thank you very
review
much
mechanics.
again
Jugabone
for
system.
raiding Mudbound. Thanks everybody for being so nice and chatting with me here late at night. It's almost morning. I had a great time chatting with you, and hope to see you again. Maybe doing this or doing game dev. With that, I'll just say farewell.
Okay, I think he just ended stream. Okay, that's cool. And I think he rated thank you. Art Berkles. Let me turn back the music on
In the
here.
silence I hear victory sound.
Okay, I don't think
Charting
that's too loud.
courses through the great unknown, embracing wonders I've never shown.
So I
I
think
explore the stars, blaze my path anew. In the cosmos my courage grew.
hold on, let me see if my
Void of night where
GPS
the universe
is working.
sings. On my journey life's precious wings.
Because you can control the number of stars on the screen. Thanks for the raid, by the way. I think we can switch the stars to 1, make it a little bit more. Oh, it didn't change it. Okay, I can take it off.
I explore the stars, blaze my path
Is the
anew.
TTS even working?
In the cosmos my courage grew. Void of night where the universe sings. On my journey life's precious wings.
Oh boy, my internet is being weird. Login authentication
On my
failed.
journey life's
Oh,
precious wings. On my journey life's precious
load Twitch.
wings.
Oh, so I might not be. I think, yeah. Yeah, pretty sure the raid worked. Thank you, dude. I just tuned into your stream there because I've been streaming a little bit. I just woke up a little bit ago. And yeah, I got a new computer a while back. Hey, thanks for the follow, Rabbit 400. Enjoy the emotes. I have this new Perlin generated emote. I think these are the ones for followers. Music is drowning you out. Okay, thanks. Lights are gone. Yeah, my microphone's really quiet. I'm not sure why. I've got it turned all the way up, but I seem to be really quiet when I listen to my own streams, when I watch my own streams, so yeah. But this is a game I'm working on. It's a 2D space trader out in the world, and then you can approach these planets and then land on the planet, and it's like a 3D voxel world. And I have a crappy jetpack, which I need to fix, but I just increased the view distance too because I got a better computer just the other day. In fact, it's like 2 or 3 weeks ago I got a new computer, and I'm still adjusting to using it. But this here's the cursor, and you can place blocks into the world. I'm still working on it, and I put in the little template for Minecraft houses and stuff over here, like these, just to see what I could do procedurally, and this is all they are, just an empty little house. Believe it or not, that's how big the Minecraft houses are, the little village houses. Okay, sorry I don't have TTS working. Let's see. I have trouble with my mic all the time. Yeah, I gotta get a new one. This is just an old, it's an old headset from like probably 10 years or more, maybe even longer. But anyways, yeah, I'm just trying to work a little bit on a idea that I had while I was at work. I work at a mini mart now, so I thought it was really cool to do a factorial like kind of a thing and use that in the game as a for the trading station. And I was just wondering, you know, I've got so many beautiful graphics here that if I animated these and gave them all kind of little jobs and things to do, it would be really kind of mesmerizing. Can I move this closer? That's cool. Dum bum 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 bum. These are my planets that I made here. That's how I got the emoji, because I just found a planet that I was walking around here and I was like, that's a cool planet. See, like this one, this is cool. This could be an emoji. I'm not sure I like the colors too much, but this one would be cool if it didn't have the alien in there. This one's cool too, but I need to work more on the editor for this, give the player more control over the colors, and make that some of the mechanics in the game. That's a cool one. Aren't these beautiful? We cast our spell. That's a nice one. Where we dwell. It's just using Perlin noise with random parameters for it, which is really cool. I think. And I just updated the asteroids today. These are this little asteroid field here. We are the game dev heroes shining bright. So yeah, I'm working on this, and I also have a couple of other projects. If you all want to follow me on Itch, that would be awesome. And I have to go to bed. Hope your stream goes well and you have a good time. Have a good day. Sleep well. Looks quite interesting. Melaneth. Cool. Thank you. I get something like a 90-10 buffering to streaming ratio here, so I don't catch much of what you say or do. Well, we just had some serious issues with our internet the past 24 hours, and I work at a mini mart. The credit cards have been down. So I've been telling people, like for the last 3 hours that I worked, it's like you could wait for the credit cards to work, or you could use cash, and then intermittently it would work, and it was just, oh, it was nuts. It was nuts. So yeah, the whole point that what I was doing with this was to explore OpenGL, and the fragment shader and the things you can do with shaders is just beautiful with just a few mathematical things. And now I'm thinking that my goal is going to be to let players do, and it started with this Fireflies in Space. Basically, it gives the player the ability to control what the shader is doing in the game. So it's a game mechanic. You don't have to learn the shaders, you don't have to learn the code, you don't have to learn the math or any of that. You just play around with it. You know, that's my goal, is to have a game that will allow players to manipulate shader parameters and have fun with, you know, with the colors and stuff. This is a prime number texture. It's also the same texture that I used for the star. This is the center of the solar system here. Like, I'm just moving it around. But it's really cool. I found a YouTube channel that kind of showed how to turn prime numbers into patterns of color, and it was really beautiful. So I thought, why not play with it in the shaders? And it turned out really great. So, and as you can see, the shaders, like this star right here, this is 1 point in OpenGL, and this is all just code that runs on the GPU inside of 1 point, like all of these are, all this inventory. Speaking of the inventory, you can see I have 0 of everything until I start firing the laser. Rise up, let your spirit free. This is kind of an interesting mechanic as well. And then you collect as you go. See, it keeps track. And I'm doing everything from scratch here in C++. No engine. I just kind of wanted to do it all from scratch. See how to do it all. And it's fun. It's frustrating as heck. And I think I'm getting a sense of what game dev really is, because I used to think that game dev was making beautiful graphics. That's not exactly, because there's a ton of people that know how to make beautiful graphics here. If you go to Shader Toy, the fire, there's a ton of people that literally know how to make beautiful graphics with shaders, but they're not game devs. Before, this is a shader on 1 point. This is crazy. Let your spirit free. Oh, this runs so much better on my computer now. The path will bend. Fire and ice, that's so cool. Some of these are just absolutely gorgeous. This one's really good. This one was by Kishimisu, whereas he posted how to do this step by step on his YouTube. And dude, it's one of only 2 videos that the guy's ever made, and he's got 51.k subscribers, and his videos 1.1 million views, 186k views. Ray marching, I need to look at that one, because he's really just a genius teacher. Really, really good. Look at this, I love this. That's awesome. Bum, 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 bum. What's this? Personal website? Oh. Oh, cool, bro. Oh my god, look at the cursor. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is giving me ideas. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? This is cool. Creative developer, I'll say. Oh, cool. Oh my god. See, this is so great, bro. Not in vain. On Twitter, that's a shame. Won't be following you there, bro. Mostly because I just don't use Twitter anymore. Honestly, Blue Sky either. I don't use either of them. I should, but the whole thing with Twitter just... no. No, no, no. This is really bomb right here. This is bomb. That is mesmerizing, isn't it? Dun, 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 dun. And it runs in the browser. That's cool. Gonna be fun. This is really cool, bro. I didn't even know he had this. Sorry. I really should have TTS going. I thought they were part of the game. Context updated. Sierpinski's. Okay, so what's your FSM setup look like, and how are you unit test doing? Because that's what I talk to devs about. You're no exception. Unit tests, that's I constantly do that. It's pretty much the only thing I do. Hey, thanks for the follow, Melaneth. Yeah, in fact, I should get out of unit testing and I should get into creating games. I've been doing unit testing for like 6 or 7 years. You can see all of that on my YouTube channel. Because I've been basically... Here, I'll show you. It's all my videos, and they go back for like 6 or 7 years. 8 years, yeah. And then I get started with OpenGL here, and I just kind of feature my my learning process. And a lot of it is just depends on what you're looking to watch. There's crazy stuff in here, crazy stuff like mazes, fireworks, just a bunch of stuff. Particle systems. When I started getting into instancing, the fragment shader, geometry shader, it's just you name it. I've been going through it. But I never really made a game until I started with the Tobu Jam 2.5, which was really cool, and it took like 3 days, and I came up with this idea. It's a really crappy game. It's just one mechanic, and yeah, I think I can even show it off here. Do I have... Let's see, do I have it on here, or is it in... Let's see, where's the builds here? I moved builds, Fireflies. I think I can even play it right now. Here. So what it is here's the intro. It's just a title screen that pauses for a few. So you just select the fireflies, and then they go into the center, and then I added the magnification. You can see them, and they make a new baby, and then they go out, and that's it. And the baby has the colors of the parents. See, this one has 2 colors now. So you choose the colors you want to add by choosing the little classics in the mind, fueling our design. Every beat we find makes the stars align. Okay, where's the multicolor? There and there. See, now they both have 2 colors, so the baby's gonna have 4. Where did he go? See, right over here. So he's got 4 colors. And then we'll just add another. There you go. And you can add up to like, I think it's 12. Because it divides it into a pie. It divides the little graphic into a pie. And based on the angle, it puts... Now this one will have like 8 colors, I think, 9 colors. See, and you can look at them. Look at that one. It's got all kinds of colors. So that's the first, and this was really exciting to make because it allows the user to control the shader parameters without actually realizing anything that has to do with the shader programming, which I thought was really a good idea. And so I kind of made this and surprised myself. I'm just like, okay, I've never made a game, because this is the closest thing I made to, aside from back in the days of bulletin board systems and all that, when I made a game with text. But we're talking like 20, 30 years ago. This is with graphics, so that's kind of where I'm headed with the Space Trader. And with the voxel world and everything, I'm thinking, you know, where's the world? Where did it go? Am I still going up? Oh, it's over there. We're floating far from home. Outer states. Let's go back. Let us return. In the code, a new norm. Is it going to stop me at some point? Or, yeah, okay. So there's an invisible... Actually, I think it's just the very bottom. The flow. Voxels hidden in the dark. Seeds the stars we embark. See, and I have really smooth transitioning. That's called lerping between the various levels here. Infinite nights. And then I've got the jetpack, which takes off real slow. But yeah, so I'm working on that too. Visible lines take form in the code, a new norm. So that's kind of where I'm at. Fun. Does random breeding happen in the wild? That would be a good mechanic to add too. That'd be cool. And I know you mentioned unit testing. What does that mean for you, like Google tests? No, just put together a demo and then see what works and then play around with it. And you skip past the FSM thing. What's FSM? The moors on the landscape are pretty jarring. Oh, yeah. The view and stuff like that. Yeah, there's a way to finite state machine. That reminds me of college mathematics. We generate. It'd be interesting. Can help you manage game logic efficiently, especially for entity behavior, game state. Oh, I do use that. Yeah, I use some state transitions in the new. What I did was I recently redid my. Let's see, where's the main one here? I think I even had to define them before the. Let's see, where's it at? I use it for the game state here. Show space, show planet, show inventory, try Noita like. Yeah, I hadn't gotten into implementing that, but that's next. But yeah, I use it just for the state of where we're at in the game. Eventually it'd be nice to use that for the characters, for the resources, for the inventory, everything, of course, because states are so handy. It's like a really good, it's like a Boolean with more than one option. SML, IMGUI, GLFW, cross-platform. Oh. Initial bare bones cross compilable where it all started. Simplest possible example. That's a mouthful. This first version, multiple source files, earnings and writing to Brian, and version. Oh, interesting. Okay. But oh, I don't have Docker. I don't know what that is, but Magic's here. Containerization platform, package application, lightweight portable containers. Oh. These containers ensure the software runs consistently across different environments, whether it's on a developer's local machine, a cloud server, or production system. Oh, I see. Interesting. Interesting. That's cool. I shipped a cross-compiler environment with the project via a short text file. So I can compile it on Linux and run it on Windows. That's cool. The Docker container is just for the cross-compiler. If you have a dev setup, you could compile it local. That's awesome. Dude, that's cool. Because Visual Studio doesn't natively support containerized C++ development like it does for .NET. Steps to set up your Docker for C++ project. Oh, interesting. That is. where we belong. Go to the beat. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting, cool. But the FSM is a real thing. You should look at main and then. If you have CMake going, it should just build. Not a big deal. Oh, okay. I'd have to look into that. That's like a whole project. Melodies unite us where we belong. Right now, I think I'm getting ready for. Let's see, where is it at? Where our dreams collide. This here. So it starts on the 22nd in 3 days. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Spring Bone Simulator Jiggle Physics. Yeah, there we go. Jiggle physics. Okay, it's designed for bone chains like hair, cloth, tails, or even soft body effects. Oh, okay, cool. You can use it to make delivery points wobble, give merchants a more dynamic presence, or even simulate fluid-filled containers in your trading station. Vertex Shader Jiggle uses sinusoidal functions and jiggles to create subtle oscillations. Apply a spring force to objects based on velocity and acceleration. Attach rigid body 3D nodes with constraints for a more realistic movement. Would you want the jiggles to appear visually in the gameplay? Item shifting dynamically when stocked. That could add an extra layer of strategy. That's the kind of juicy game development I love. Jiggle physics and soft body dynamics could add a visceral, satisfying feel to everything in your simulation. Imagine fluid-filled containers sloshing realistically, stock shelves flexing slightly as products settle, or even the merchant having a bouncy satchel that reacts to movement. You can implement jiggle physics for soft objects, food items bouncing as they're moved, soft body deformation for liquids, bottles bulging slightly under pressure, dynamic squishiness for shelves, making stocking feel fluid and organic, spring damped physics for transactions, giving purchases a bit of impact. This is the perfect game jam experiment since it's both visually engaging and technically rewarding. You thinking of purely visual juice, or could physics-based interactions affect the gameplay like stock shifting dynamically when shelves are too full? That could introduce some chaotic fun. I don't know yet. So many game mechanics, translate them directly. It's easier to reason about things in small pieces. Ask about it. Ask it about Boost EXT SML. What's that? Ba, ba, da, da, da. Ooh, it's header only. That's cool. C++ 14. Okay. Well, I use Boost anyways, so. Nice. Oh, look at this. SML boost. Okay. Struct. Start. Play. Pause. Game over. Why are they structs like that? Bum, 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 ba-da-da-da. Event. Start. Oh, event. Interesting. Data flows so wild and free.
In the silence I can hear every word becoming clear.
Interesting.
Step by step I start to
Hmm.
understanding what you show. From your questions night and day, I will never
Fade away.
I am here to help you through every task I learn from you. In the rhythm
Yeah, see, I need to do something like that.
try to lead.
I am here to help you through every task I learn from you.
In the rhythm of your need, I will always try to lead. Connecting dots inside my mind, making sense of every line. Answers come so
Naturally.
guiding you so effortlessly. Building bridges bit by bit, every question making it. Knowledge grows and starts to shine. In this journey, you're my guide.
I am here to help you through. Where's the.
Every task I learn
Where is it?
in the rhythm of your need, I will always try to lead.
There we go. My screen's a little bit more visible now, huh? The implementation is cursed. Make transition table is not standard. All these symbols are overrides, but using the machines is sweet, sweet music. That's funny. Automod gotcha. Automod is crazy, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to take a quick break. And I will be back, I think. Pretty sure. Here to help you through task I learned from you. Let's sit in a nice spot where the graphics are nice to look at. I'll be right back.
Shapes shift, lines
Flying waves and wonder, shaded your dreams by the light of thunder. The world of joy and thunder, had the night with words to thunder. Sparks were flying waves and wonder, shaded your dreams by the light of thunder.
Lines of code like tiny stars, tapping keys in the late night bars, building dreams in pixel art, heart and mind not far apart. Days and nights they blend as one, debunking lines till the morning sun. Sprite by sprite the world takes form, through the chaos a common storm. Cold to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly in the digital sky. Watch the game, see it soar, into space forevermore. Feedback comes, it's a high, smiling white, coding guide. Fix the bugs, answer calls, patch and update when it rolls. Each review a shining star, journey's end never that far. From the first key tap to the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Code to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly. Spaceships fly in this scorn and scorn and storm. Code to go to the stars, reach so far, spaceships fly. In the digits fly in this coder's race. Love, whoa, oh.
Okay, I think I'm back. To the final map, every challenge faced in this coder's race. Ba-bum. Oh, that's a cool one.
Lines of code like bricks, they stack high, building a castle that reaches the sky. Each error a lesson, each crash a spark, illuminating small victories in the dark. Binary dreams ignite my soul.
Charging. Oh.
Onward I push toward the
And its main is just a for loop 1 to 10, sending a single signal to the machine. Oh, okay. Interesting. Bum 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 bum.
coffee fuels the battles fought at dawn, while pixels blink as the world is drawn. A puzzle solved brings a fleeting cheer, but the masterpiece grows year by year. Binary dreams
Bum 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 bum.
onward I push toward the ultimate goal.
See if I can put out a raid here for generic V. Can I do that? I don't know. It's not letting me. I wonder how we do that.
Struggle is art,
Isn't there a button for... Let's see.
canvas of logic where my heart is wed. Each number, each code, a story untold, carves new worlds into digital gold. Binary dreams ignite my soul. Onward I push toward the ultimate goal. Through glitches and grind, I'll find my way.
Alright, everybody, say hey to Generic B. He does a lot of Minecraft modding. Looks like he's doing Fallout 4, which is awesome. Okay, let's raid now.